Hey guys, we're at Maury Point Loop Trail, and today we're also taking another hike. We just saw a dead frog. Smells like licorice. There's a huge worm here. I like this hike because we can see all of Pacifica, and we also see all the little critters in the dirt. Not gonna be easy.
I guess we're gonna have to go.
Yahoo! Cue the climbing music.
Helikopter, helikopter. Parakofer, parakofer.
Alright, let's keep going. Spiritual path. A spiritual path is a path that was made by Earth that leads to enlightenment. Like this one. The hike was long, but fun. We also saw a lot of critters in the dirt and
finished the hike, and here are our thoughts.
It wasn't too long. It was really tiring, and also a lot of the mountains were really steep and high.
I think it was a really nice hike because of the view, all the nature, and all the critters that we saw. It was also very exhausting and tiring and hard. Yeah. Bye guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.